Good afternoon, everybody. I'm meteorologist Eric Tolman with the Michigan Weather Channel, Detroit. Showers and a chance of thunderstorms today and tonight. Mild temperatures accompany increasing rain coverage today. Forecast highlights. Showers rush through the Tri-Cities northern thumb today. Mild temperatures in the lower to mid 50s in all areas in metropolitan Detroit. On top of that, showers and scattered thunderstorms become widespread tonight. And then rain ends towards sunrise on Tuesday. That is our complete update for right now. Your extended forecast is moments away. Thank you so much for watching Southeast Michigan Weather, Detroit. We'll be right back after this.